So here we go, we're going to light the candle. And as I mentioned, from here on out, the candle is the object. So the first position is to orient the candle beyond 2F. So there's 1F, there's 2F, and so that's what, about 3.5F, close to 4F. And then what we have to do is move the screen until we see the image. Okay, so if you can focus on the screen, you see that blurry light, and boom, there it is in focus. Okay, and then if we could get the lights turned out, you can see a crystal clear image of the candle. And it's upside down, it's smaller, and it's beyond F but less than 2F. Okay, so lights back on, please. So, the image position beyond 2F. The type of image, it's a real image. The orientation of the image, it's inverted. The size of the image is very small. And I forgot, position of image is between F and 2F. Okay, so the next spot is we take the candle and we move it to the 2F position. Again, the candle is the object, and now it is 2F away from the lens. And now, if you can focus on the screen, we see that where we left it before, the image is blurry, and then as I slide it back, there it is in focus.
It's a lot better.
Okay, so when the candle, the object is at 2F, lo and behold, the image is also at 2F. Okay. It's still upside down, so it's a real image. So the position is at 2F, the type of image is real, the orientation is inverted, and the size is about the same size. Moving down the data table and moving the candle closer, and you should be seeing a pattern by now. So now we have the object between F and 2F. The image is now blurry. And if we slide...
You don't want to get that blurry. Yeah, we're good.
If we slide the screen, it's beyond 2F, and boom, there it is. It's about 2.5F. It's still upside down, so it's still a real image, and now it's larger than the original candle is. So the position is beyond 2F. The type of image is real. The orientation is inverted or upside down. And the size of the image is larger. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is move the candle to the focal length, 2F. And then try to capture the image. And it's blurry, and it's starting to get washed out by the classroom lighting. And I'm not going to get far enough away, plus there's writing on this paper. So I'm going to move over to and just turn this around. And then we'll just use the wall as the screen. You get the lights turned off. And then focus on the wall. There it is.
It's on the table.
I'm going to get a little closer just for the sake of...
There she is.
There's the candle flame. So we would call this a real image. We would call it inverted. We would call it very large. In fact, we can make it as large as we want. We just lose the brightness. This is how drive-in movies used to work. Okay?
We're not getting a
And
great
so it's
focus
inverted,
on
it's
it.
real, and it's very far away and very large. Okay, lights back on, please. Now, the last part of this is to bring the object closer than F, and then try to capture the image. And all of a sudden, if you look at the screen, there's a different quality to this. It's just round and blurry. It's not really a blurry image of a candle, it's just round. Okay. And no matter how far away I get, it just stays round and blurry. So there's no getting the image the conventional way. But if you come over here and look at the candle, there it is. It's a virtual image. It's enlarged and it's on the same side as the object. And it's right side up, making it a virtual image. So we're now using the converging lens as a magnifying glass. We're magnifying the image of the candle. There's no way to capture that image on a screen. That's why it's virtual. It's right side up. That's why it's virtual. Okay, pause. So that does it for the data for this lab. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. And you should be able to answer all the analysis questions. And I'll go ahead and make the going further bonus points, each of them bonus points. Although you'll only be able to do the first one. But there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawings. So there's 6 bonus points to be had. Oh boy. You can find help online. You can find help in your textbook on drawing ray diagrams. Have fun.
Oh, I missed the wave.
You should go out and